2, 1, go! Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Cinemidu, and today we will discuss about the Apple Watch and iPhone heartbeat sensor. So let's go! Today we have two products, Apple Watch and iPhone 13 Pro. Today we will compare the both apparatus for heartbeat. Is Apple application through camera sensor is better or Apple Watch is better for the results of heartbeat? Everybody says in the Apple Watch they have four sensors, and here when we use the application we need to touch the three cameras to get the heartbeat rate at the real time. So let's go and we'll check out which one give what, and at the end of the video we will decide which frequency or which heartbeat is correct in comparison to another one. My heartbeat lies between 80 to 90 because I was an athlete in the past, and now again I do a lot of physical activities. So if you do a lot of physical activities, then it lies between 80 to 90, it's correct. According to science in general, the normal heartbeat is 72 beats per minute, and it's the value that how many times our heart beats in a minute. Normally we say it's 72 times. It can be between 60 to 120 heartbeats per minute. If you are sleeping, then I have already checked out with my Apple Watch that the heartbeat lies between 40 to 60 when we sleep. If we are doing something, then it goes up to 160 170 beats per minute. If you are swimming, then it lies between 150 to 170. Otherwise, if you are doing nothing, then it can be 90 100. It depends on your type of body. If you are athlete, then it lies between 80 to 90 100, like that. Otherwise it can be less than that also, but it's common. First we will check out the heartbeat rate in Apple iPhone 13 Pro in the application. So I have already installed the application Fit Days, so you can check it out. The Fit Days, it is connected at the corner. You can see the last time when I check out my heartbeat it was 67, so we can start it again. When we start the measurement, the iPhone flash is already turned on, and now we are gonna to put our three fingers on it to check it out. So let's go. We have to put our three fingers on the camera sensors, so it's gonna to take the measurements. So when we put the three fingers, we have to cover the three cameras overall. The last time it was 67 and now it is 64. So as we have already seen, as it is 64, now we will compare these data with our Apple Watch. Here is our Apple Watch, and now we'll go in the application. So the heartbeat application is here. So we can measure the ECG of the human body. We have to put our finger on digital crown and it goes. So you can see in the real time our heartbeat, and it's perfect. There is no problem. Every signal is symmetric. So we have to put our finger on the crown for 30 seconds, and after the 30 seconds it will give the average heartbeat. So here we go. So our average heartbeat rate is 64 BPM. If you like my video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe it. What do you think about the measurements with Apple phone and Apple Watch? What do you think about the measurements of Apple Watch and Apple phone? If you think Apple Watch is more correct than Apple phone, then just leave a comment. If you don't think so, again you can just leave a comment and we will discuss about it in the next video. Thank you. Bye.